BCI Campus, a prestigious seat of learning in the region that brings out the best version of the learner. Opening its doors for an inspiring journey. At first sight, you will be enthralled with the beauty you see. The lush green natural setting, the perfectly manicured lawns with the twin lakes create a complementary atmosphere to acquire knowledge while uniting the student's soul with nature. Commencing higher education at BCI will add an array of experience to a student's life. It is our effort to make your learning with us a memorable one. Our faculty and supportive staff stand to be the Institute's lifeblood and will assist a smooth sailing during learning process. BCI boasts of various facilities to provide our students with world-class exposure. A modern auditorium equipped with high-definition audiovisual system accommodates large gatherings, meetings, or performance. Ample learning spaces with multimedia interface to create the learning process interactive and student-centered. State-of-the-art IT laboratories with innovative technology will bring global higher education to your learning station. Wherever you come from, it is important for you to explore co-curricular interests through talent shows, sports festivals, colorful cultural events, or recreational activities with which BCI aims to make the student's life satisfying and rewarding. Promoting diversity and multiculturalism, we create space and time for harmony and brotherhood, engagement and leadership on campus and in wider community. Students are heartily encouraged to enrich their lives, deepen their understanding, and expand horizons, connecting themselves with new people. BCI Campus is emerging to be a wonderful place where you can experience so many things apart from study. A place to enjoy, a place to make lifetime friends and memories, a place to learn life, and very specially, a place to last out with a new version of yours. You'll walk out of the gates as a well-rounded student or a satisfied parent. We aspire to inspire higher education to be more than what we have known it for a university to be more than just a place, but an experience of a lifetime, realization of a dream, and the shaping of a nation's tomorrow.
BCI. Aspire to inspire.